Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are going to make use of this possibility diagram to help us to solve some problems in probability. So what exactly is a possibility diagram? Well, a possibility diagram is a diagram that shows all possible outcomes in grid or table form. And it usually involves two stages or processes. What do I mean by that? Given this example, I'm going to do two things. The first thing, flip a fair coin. The second thing, select a letter from the word build, 1 and 2. After which, we are required to find the probability of getting a head from the flip coin, selecting the letter U from the word. So there are two things we need to do, right? And because of that, then we are going to see this. There are two stages, repeating what I've just said. One is flipping the coin, the other is selecting a letter from the word build. Because we can represent this in table or grid form, there are two ways basically for us to draw this possibility diagram. This is how the first way looks like, where every time I flip a coin, that it can either be a head or a tail. And when I select a letter from the word build, it can be either be B or letter U, letter I, letter L, or letter D. So let me just highlight to you what does this mean. This particular dot would mean, or this cross would mean that I have gotten my head, and I have selected the letter B. Okay, so that's what it means for each cross. And because I would want my flip coin to be head, and I need the letter U, that's why this is the highlighted answer or possible outcome, where I have my head because it corresponds to my head, and the letter that I've chosen is U. And there's only one possible outcome out of total. How many outcomes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 1 over 10. Now, I'm going to bring you through a second way of drawing a possibility diagram. Like this. Okay, in the form of a table. So in this case, right, I'm only just listing out all the possible outcome. If it happens to be here, this is the coin, and this is selecting the letter. Then you will see this represents getting a head, selecting the letter B. Okay, so I repeat again, this is selecting the head, getting a head, selecting the letter U, and that happens to be our answer. Again, you can see it is 1 out of 10. So once I have this, then it becomes relatively straightforward for us to see that the answer that we need would be 1 out of 10, because there's only one possible outcome out of the total number 10. total is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 10 possible outcome out of which to get a head and a letter U, there can only be one possible way. Okay, 1 out of 10. Well, with that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.